The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that typically involves limiting carbohydrates to 20 to 50 grams per day to induce a state of ketosis in the body. Many fruits are high in carbohydrates as they contain natural sugars such as fructose and glucose, so including them in a keto diet can be challenging. You should avoid eating high-sugar fruits such as mangoes, grapes and cherries, as they could disrupt your keto diet. Here are some fruits lower in sugar that can be part of your keto diet when consumed in moderation. Number 1. Raspberries. Berries like raspberries are relatively low in sugar, but high in fiber and antioxidants. A cup of raspberries contains just 5 grams of sugar. Number 2. Blackberries. Another good choice for low-sugar fruit is blackberries, which contain 7 grams of sugar for every cup. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats and low in sugar. Half an avocado contains only less than 1 gram of sugar. Number 4. Kiwis. While kiwis taste sweet, medium-sized kiwi fruit contains about 6 grams of sugar on average. You should limit the consumption to 1 fruit per day. Number 5. Guavas. Guavas contain only around 5 grams of sugar per fruit, making them another good low-sugar option. Number 6. Coconuts. Coconuts are high in healthy fats and low in sugar, making them suitable for keto diets. A cup of shredded coconuts contains about 5 grams of sugar. It is important to remember that lower sugar fruits should be consumed in moderation on a keto diet to ensure that you stay within your daily carbohydrate limit. Consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to determine the appropriate amount of fruits to include in your keto diet.